Oh guys, what's going on? So, we have thunder in Harlow right now. The sky looking absolute bleh, full of blue, weird looking sky tonight. Just want to get a bit of thunder, hopefully, on this camera. Get another big rumble in a minute. That's a plane, don't worry about that. Yeah, that's an airplane. Why have I got an airplane? Why? Yeah. Oh, I'll say that, I am on the flight path of Stansted. Stansted only down the road from here. Pretty much. Oh, there you go, there's the flight then. There's a flash. We caught that, yes we have. That's lightning. Gonna be a rumble in a minute. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Peace out.